Well, many emotions are still running high even tonight following the weekend verdict in the George Zimmerman trial.
We're working to learn the legal changes it could bring nationwide and here in the Miami Valley. Zimmerman has not been seen since he left the courthouse after being found not guilty Saturday night in the death of 17-year-old Trayvon Martin. Today, the Department of Justice is looking into a possible next step. Natalie Tyndall digs into the case and what it may mean for us here at home.
Well, a case very similar to George Zimmerman's is getting closer to trial here in Dayton, but legal experts I talked with today warn that his verdict does not necessarily mean there will be a similar trend across the country. While America reacts to the George Zimmerman verdict, a similar local case is getting ready to go to court. In March of last year, 2 security guards shot and killed 25-year-old Dante Price at the Summit Square Apartments. Justin Wissinger and Christopher Tarbert claim Price was attempting to run them over when they fired 17 shots, hitting him 3 times. Local civil rights leaders claim it was a hate crime because Price was black. We reached out to Tarbert's attorney, Mark Dieters, to comment on what the Zimmerman case means for his upcoming trial. He declined to comment because he's expected to go to court in the fall. But local attorney Charles Ritgers says while the Zimmerman verdict may not impact case law too much, it could shed some light on the stand your ground law defense.
Our legislature, for example, here in Ohio, could add it as a defense. In other states, if they have a similar statute and they don't like the outcome that was arrived at in Zimmerman, then they could change the statutes so that that defense is taken away.
The defense means a person can use deadly force against someone if they believe they're in danger. Ohio doesn't have such a defense, and University of Dayton law professor Tom Hagel says it would not be easy to adopt.
We don't like people taking law into their own hands, especially when they're talking about causing death or serious bodily harm.
Now, the office of Mark Dieters, the attorney for Christopher Tarbert, tells us that the trial for his client is set to start on September 16th. Natalie Tyndall, 2 News, working for you.